Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is the equivalent of Restasis. So it is the non-brand name version of Restasis. Still prescription, but want to show you all how this looks like. So it's 60 single-use vials, 1 month supply. Use twice a day. Unboxed Sequa for my dry eyes earlier in the year, and here's what Restasis looks like. Non-brand name again. So there's probably some drug facts, probably not too important. Let's check out the packaging. Looks like some microwavable food. What is this? Whoa, okay, so here are the vials. That's what it looks like, and again, looks like microwavable food to me, but looks like normal eye drops here. When you pull them out, packets of 5, super expensive, prescription, and you can recap it, so that's dope. Cool. Hope you're all doing well. If you're watching this, I hope your dry eyes get better one day. See you all next time. Bye.